Why do we see a red light during sunsets and sunrises, and also why is the sky blue during the day? The reason for that is that there are many gas molecules and dust particles in our atmosphere which causes ray light scattering. Now, you might be wondering, what is ray light scattering? It is the scattering of light due to the particles that I mentioned a little while ago, that is, gas molecules and dust particles. What do you even mean by light scattering? Well, it means that the molecules of the size 1/10 of the wavelength of the light absorb the light and re-emit it back again without any loss of energy. As I have already shown this to you in this example, that this molecule is absorbing the white light from the sun, which is composed of 7 prominent colors, which are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, and re-emits the light indigo, blue, and violet. Now let's get back to the point. Different lights of different colors have different wavelengths. For example, red light has the longest wavelength of 700 nanometers and violet light has the smallest wavelength of 450 nanometers. Here, the light with the smallest wavelength scatters the most while the light with the most wavelength scatters the least. For example, the violet light scatters the most while the red light scatters the least. As I've already shown this to you in this example, that due to this molecule, the violet light, indigo and the blue light are getting scattered, but the red light isn't, because the red light has a higher wavelength as compared to them. As you might have seen in a prism, white light is composed of 7 prominent colors, which are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Now, in this sequence, the wavelength of light is in an increasing order, while the scattering of light is in a decreasing order. So let's get back to the point. Why do we see red light during sunsets or sunrises, and also why is the sky blue during the day? As I already told you, the blue light is in the spectrum of the visible light where the scattering is most, while the red light scatters the least. During sunrises or sunsets, the sun is at a longer distance, which causes the light with the higher wavelengths to reach our eyes, while the lights with smaller wavelengths scatter in our atmosphere. So this causes the red light to finally reach our eyes, causing the sunset or sunrise to look red. But when the sun is overhead or during sunrise or sunset, we see that the sky is partially or wholly blue, which is a part of the white light entering our earth from the sun, will scatter over the earth's atmosphere, causing the sky to look blue. Thank you.